nice boys and girls. Very good morning. This chapter, factorization. You see the spelling, factorization. In place of S, sometimes you will see Z. Both are correct. Clear? X minus y minus x square plus y square. If we take common from these two terms, we will have x square minus y square. That means x minus y, x plus y. Now from these two terms, x minus y is factor. So it is as common we are taking here. So here 1 and here this will be left. Now multiplying this minus to the whole, we are getting this one. Okay. Each and every step I am doing. Now you see. This is given. This 4 means 2 square. 2 square means 4. So we are keeping inside the bracket. Then multiply it. We are getting this one. Now a square minus b square formula. A plus b and a minus b. Okay. When minus b, one time minus here and here minus into minus plus here. Be careful about this. Now simplification. This plus this 2y vanish plus minus, and from here this is, and from this is. Here in this question, p4, p square, q4, and here r. This is from another group. So you separate it. From this you are getting a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is a formula, a minus b whole square. And this is mean this means this. We are keeping here. Now a square minus b square. If we treat this is a, this is b. A square minus b square. Very tactfully we will do. A plus b into a minus b. Here you see. Here 4z square. And here x square, xy, y square. This is one type, this is another type. So keep it. 4z square means 2z whole square. And this is taking common. We are keeping here this plus this minus this. This is a formula. X minus 2y whole square means this one. Now we are getting a square minus b square formula. Means a plus b into a minus b. Here minus into minus, so plus is coming. Okay. Start. Now you see, next question. 1 to left, you can do yourself if you think, because thousands of questions are there, not one question. Few of them we will do here. X to the power 4 minus 16. First, square. So 4 and 4 square 16. This means a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Again, a square minus b square, we are writing here, a square minus b square. This one, this is here. So x plus y, x plus 2, x minus 2. Means if we say x square minus y square, same thing. But here y means 2. Means successive reduction. 1 by 1. Here, it is 4. So square against square. And here 1 square. A square, here this is a total. This is a. For this we are using a curved bracket or second bracket. So a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Again here a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. This is a, this is b. A plus b, a minus b. From here this is coming. And this is as well as. More 1 power extra. X to the power 8. Very good. So 4 then square. We need always a square. So a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Whether minus, again try to do. This is 4, so square is x square whole square. So x square plus 1, x square minus 1. Again this will be reduced. X plus 1, x minus means 1 by 1 is step by 4, 2, then 1. 1 coming. Here this is whole A, this is whole B. Whole B means here 16y square we are writing as 4y. So this is B, this is A, suppose. Or this is X, this is Y. As you think. means total from here to here, here to here. So a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Here all are different terms, so there is no simplification, already it is simplified. This is x square minus y square, something is there, so arrange it square form, here square form, then a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Always remember the formula very nicely. Now 49 means 7 square, so we are keeping here 7 square, here 8 square, then inside the bracket this 7 will go here, so this square is square same, no? So 7x plus 7y whole square, 8x minus 8y whole square. This is a technique. Then a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, then simplify, you will get this one. Okay, so this exercise 7.1, this is home task or homework, different names are there. Revise very nicely all. Okay, today no thank you, no, yes thank you.